Good evening, I'm Richard Morgan. Nearly a quarter of adults in Wales are classed as obese, and a new report says supermarkets could do more to tackle this by changing the layout of their stores and cutting back on the promotion of unhealthy diets. A survey by the Royal Society for Public Health found that more than a third of shoppers buy unhealthy goods on impulse because they're on offer. Paul Davis reports.
Martin knows just how easy it is to slip into bad eating habits.
I'd got up to 27 stone. One day I thought, I'm not going to be around to see my kids grow up. So something like the penny dropped. I was diabetic, taking a lot of medication, so I'd take nothing anymore. It was really, really bad. And then to think that just by joining the group and just by learning to cook with like vegetables, who knew?
He lost almost half his body weight by changing his diet. And says he'd like to see supermarkets do more to make it easier to shop healthily.
When you walk into the supermarket, you see all that stuff there, and you just think, I want that. And, the 2-for-1s, it's like pay for 2 chocolate bars, get third free. And with the best will in the world, as much as some people may be able to do it, but lots of us can't.
A report by the Royal Society for Public Health and Slimming World is calling on supermarkets to adopt what they call key principles, including making more space available for healthier products, introducing a healthy reward scheme for shoppers, providing recipe cards and cooking demonstrations on how to use ingredients, and should be business rate reductions for shops to adopt these principles.
You need to ensure that the shopping environment is conducive to health and healthy lifestyles. Currently it isn't, and supermarkets need to step up and play their part. Supermarkets
have defended their record, saying they've already made changes that promote healthier options for shoppers.
Great example is if you go into the front of a supermarket, you'll inevitably see fresh fruit and vegetables, often heavily price-promoted fresh fruit and vegetables. You'll often see aisle ends will have alternatives to traditional products because you want to promote those products ahead of the traditional brands. So actually, lots of our members will already use many of these points, and they'll use them very effectively to try and drive some of these changes to help customers make healthier choices.
The Welsh Government wants to reduce obesity over the next 10 years, and they plan to launch a strategy on how to do this in October. Paul Davis, ITV News.